Each and every time in our back of mind, we have a question that in the Facebook authority or the Instagram authority or other social media authority, do they know our password? As they are the author of their sites, and here they have the whole database on their hand. But here, can they get all the passwords of us? That means, can they access in our account? So because it's really simple question, because in your back of mind it can be a question for you, because here as they are the authority of their site, so they must have the access of their database. So from their database they can easily take their passwords, that means our account holders passwords. So in this case they can already access in our account and get many things and get a lot of information from us. So is it really possible or not? So in this video I'm going to talking with you about that. Here the Facebook authorities still now really know your password of your Facebook or not. So without making it late, let's start this video with me, and I'm going to talking with you about here this question with an example. So without making it late, let's start this video with me. Before starting this video, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, here first of all I need to clarify you that here whenever we create an account in our Facebook, that time what happened? We need to give our username, we need to give our first name, last name, then the email address, and then the password, repeating this password, and then give the date of birth, then the gender, and we need to just check in with some privacy. So after that we can sign up in our Facebook. So what happened whenever we enter the password? So in this video I'm going to talking with about this, what's about the password. As we know, everything, each and everything we see here, each and everything is with your text. That means here this is the Sajid Hassan, it's a text, the Hassan it's also text, here the email ID, password, everything like a text. But what happened the password? So here we will show you a demonstration.
So I'm here in my desktop, so from here I will show you a demonstration. So here suppose this is your Facebook sign up form. So I will sign up here. So from here we will upload an image from here. So here I just send an image, and then this is my first name, and this is my last name. I just take an username, suppose something like this, Sajid 123456, sorry, like this 456, and the email, I just take this email like sajid151114283@gmail.com. So give a password. So I will just want to show you the password. As you can see here, the password can't use, but from here I want to show you the password. So from here I just take it as a text, make this type as a text as it was password. So here I make the password like sajid@123*, then give a hash.com, like this. This is the password, and here I will add my date of birth 1996 and mail, and now click on this register. I think this is a registration is on, and set the password. So here from you can log in by this password, and here I just take this password here, sajid151114283@gmail.com, and here the password is here. You can see I can log in, and now in the database, well, it will happen here guys. You can see this is the username which I have just created right now, Sajid123456. This is my MD Sajid Hassan, and the email address that I show you here, sajid151114283@gmail.com. Let's talk about this password. Here I give a password like Sajid @123* hash.com, this type of password, but it just encrypt my password like this. Now it will be replacing of my password. So here from here, if I just signing something like that, Sajid151114283@gmail.com, and then just take this password here. That password which I take here, I just show you with my text so that you can understand more better. Here, this is the thing that I have just copied from this database. And now if I just want to log in, that time what it will show here, the password is wrong. So for that reason, now you can log in. And here, this is the password. Just convert my password into this hashing MD5.
So after just watching this demonstration, I think you got everything clarified that here still now this hacking a password is not too much easy task, because here you can see here whenever you enter a password, that time this password just behaves like that. Here it's a hashing algorithm, and here it just create more than 20 to 32 longer text character, by which here it looks like for you that here it's like a big text. And here guys, it's from your passwords synonyms or antonyms, whatever you say. Here they just generate this text code with alphabetic and numerics, and here it just replacing with your password. That doesn't mean that it will be your password. So once the hacker just get this hashing code, if he just take this hashing code into this password form, that time still now it's not working, because here it's only for you replacing text, not for your original text. It will just indicate this whole code is stand for your password, not your password. This is the main thing. And for that reason, still now our social media for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you say, all are safe and it's really secure, because they know about these hackers, that how much dangerous they are. So from here they can hack your account easily. So in this case, for me, I can say you that still now it's not too much easy task for anyone to hack your account in a quickest possible time, because here you must have to meet these 32 characters longer alphanumeric code with your this password. And here it's only a one-way password. You can encrypt it, but you can't decrypt it. That means you can convert this password, suppose like sajidz123 from this to this hashing algorithm, but you can't reverse it back. It's not reversible. This is the main thing that most of the people don't know about this. And here, after just watching this video, I hope it's really clarified for you, because most of the time people question me about this here, why it happened. So can the Facebook authority can hack my account or not? So for that reason, especially today, I just create this video for you from here, so that you can know about this here, that at least your password is secured in Facebook. It's such a security system, more secure and stronger thing for you, that the Facebook authority also can't break this security. And here guys, this is the only one way. Don't worry about this. Your Facebook, Instagram and other social media passwords are insecure. So don't feel insecure in your social media. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, after watching this video, what you feel? Guys, if you feel this is really helpful topic for you and you get some more interesting by this topic, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.